Hey everyone, in this quick video, I will show you how to activate your Vodafone SIM card in Australia. First of all, insert your new Vodafone SIM card into your phone and make sure your phone is powered on. After that, open a browser on your phone or your computer and in the search bar, write Vodafone activate SIM, then click enter. Click here. After that, follow the prompts on screen, insert the SIM into your device and turn it on. Find the activation key on your SIM pack. Have a valid form of ID on hand. Then click OK. Let's get started. Here you have to enter the activation key. I won't be able to proceed because I don't have an activation key. After entering activation key, click continue. After submitting your details, Vodafone will process the activation. This usually takes a few minutes, but it can take up to 24 hours. Once activated, you will receive a confirmation SMS. And that's it. Your Vodafone SIM card is now activated and ready to use in Australia. Thanks for watching.